Oh, yeah.
Looks like it's wrong. Probably a sheephead.
You think so?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's, oh my gosh. Oh, I think that's huge.
I don't have any boots on.
Yeah. Dang, Zeke, it's so good.
Don't grab by the line, grab by his gills, please.
I'm scared of him. Zeke, stop it. Back and forth. Oh, stop it. Grab by his gills?
Yeah, and pull him over here.
Like here? Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, over here. Towards me. Come on. Wow. Look at this baby here. Oh, sorry. Wow. He's a good size.
Yeah.
Here, you can grab the camera real quick and I can take out the hook. Wow, no wonder he was spoiling me for a while. And look, I got him on the little hook.
Oh yeah, the little top hook on my line.
Look, I'll show you how big. Oh, you stop it. I'm gonna let you go. Let me there you go. Look how big the hook is, or how small that little hook is. Look, I'll put it in my palm so you can see how small the hook is. Little bitty hook.
Yeah.
All right. So here, grab this with your one hand and let me go ahead and stand them up for the viewers' pleasure.
You want me to get it in a picture too, or can you?
Just go ahead and do this real quick, and so you can kind of see the size of the baby we got here. Okay, you can turn the camera the other way, because there you go. Do you see that? I don't want to hurt him.
Yeah. Are you gonna set him free, or you want to get a picture first?
Well, let's go ahead and take a picture, and he's a big boy.
Okay, here.